Hello and welcome to another episode of PCS Current News. The topic of discussion is Naini Lake. Naini Lake in Nainital has reached a record low water level of 4.7 feet, which is the lowest in 5 years. This decline in water levels is raising concerns about drinking water availability ahead of the summer season. The lake could potentially dip below its gauge level, affecting water supply for the city. The situation has prompted environmental scientists and local authorities to focus on the long-term effects of climate change, pollution and urbanization on the lake. Drishti IAS Noida Center, the offline batches admissions are open for IAS GS Foundation course covering both prelims and mains. The English medium batch is starting from 8th of April while admissions are open for the Hindi medium batch. For more information, give us the call at 87501. What are the causes of Naini Lake's water depletion? Decrease in snowfall and rainfall during the winter months has reduced the amount of water replenished to the lake. Nainital's growing population and increase in tourist activity have put additional strain on the lake's resources. Unplanned construction around the lake and encroachments on recharge zones have further exacerbated the water crisis. Pollution from untreated wastewater and improper waste disposal has led to contamination, which also affects water levels. Impact of climate change on Naini Lake. The region has experienced rising temperatures, increasing by 1.5 degrees Celsius between 1970 and 2022. This warming has affected rainfall and snowfall patterns, reducing the amount of precipitation and snow accumulation needed to sustain the lake's water levels. In 2022, Nainital received 2,400 mm of rainfall, but by 2024, this dropped to 2000 mm. The snowfall, which used to occur 4 times in the winter months, has stopped completely in 2025. Experts believe that the aging infrastructure and urbanization in the area have worsened the effects of reduced rainfall and lack of seepage capacity in the land. Now it's time for the practice question. Which factor is contributing to Naini Lake's depleted water level? Increased snowfall, construction around the lake, excessive rainfall infiltration, or improved sewage systems? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.